Hi all of you. In this video I am going to talk about TCP and IP model. It is similar kind of a OSI model. So let's talk about TCP. What is TCP? As you all can see this definition, the TCP model was developed prior to OSI model. So it has also layers like OSI model, as I already showed you in my previous video. Who folks haven't watched my OSI model video, link is popping up so you can check it out. So it has five, not five, TCP model has a 4 layer, but in some books there are 5 layers. So the layers are application layer, transport layer, network layer, and there is not data link and physical layer. There is a network access layer which include both link, data link layer and physical layer as well. So now let's go ahead. So layers of TCP, as you can see that there are application layer, there is transport layer, there is internet layer, and there is network layer. So as so when you talk about when you see this layer from receiver side, the network access layer comes first, and then second one is internet layer, then transport layer, then application layer. But uh, when you see from the side of senders, so it means the application layer will be first and rest all of the next layers. So now it's time to move ahead. So now what is the application layer? It is used for processing at, as it includes all the layer of not all, the 3 layers of OSI model. The application layer includes, like as you can see here, this is your OSI model and this is your TCP IP model. So application, presentation and session layer are included in application layer of TCP model, which means the work which presentation and session layer also do, it is also done in application layer. So as you can see here as well. So now let's talk about transport layer. So transport layer provides a transparent transfer of data between user and providing reliable data transfer to the upper layer. So which means that in in this layer, segmentation and desegmentation error control happens. As I already told you in my OSI model video, that here you can see this is your transport layer and this is your transport layer of TCP IP model. So both work same. Okay, so segmentation and desegmentation works here in this layer. So also the protocol like TCP and UDP also play here. Okay, this is the layer where TCP plays a role, okay, and also UDP as well. Now let's talk about internet layer. The internet layer is responsible for logical transmission of data packets over internet. So as I told you in my OSM model, that in this network layer, uh, they both are same in OSM model as well as in TCP model. So here you can see that the data packets come and go from this layer. So the this layer, so the work of this layer is to like mention the IP address. Okay, mention the address from where and to where this data packets are to be going. So in this layer, uh, the responsibility of this layer is to like check the address. The both addresses are same. Like both address means from where the data packets should be gone, and and also the receiver side of the data packets of the address. Okay, so now let's talk about the last layer, which is network access layer. The network access layer is the lowest layer of the TCP. As you already see here, it is the lowest layer. Okay, from the sender side it is the lowest, but from the receiver side it is the first layer. Okay, so now the protocol in this layer provides the means for system to deliver data. Okay, so now the main now I already showed you in my OSI model that the data link layer does that. It like its responsibility is to uh, make sure that the seal is there or not. Seal means uh, nobody can see the information. So you can say that it is like a seal. So the responsibility of data link there is that in OSI model. And in network interface, in network access layer, it is also same, because they both are in this layer. Okay, so physical layer is something which is like a delivery, you can say a delivery layer, which means that its responsibility is to deliver the all the data to the user, to the receivers. Okay, so the responsibility of physical layer is to deliver the data to other physical layer of that model. Okay, of receiver side, you can say. Okay, so this is your layers of TCP and IP model. Okay, I think now you can understand. And those who haven't watched my OSI model, I again suggest you to watch that video first, because by watching that video you will understand more. Okay, so now I think it's time to end, and all the information which I showed you is in the description, you can check it out as well. So bye for now.
ਉਹ ਜੱਟ ਹੱਸਲੇ ਨ ਕਰਦਾ ਏ ਖਾਬ ਰੋਜ਼ ਨਵੇਂ ਫੜਦਾ